Okay, so today I'm gonna be revealing to you guys my hair. It's been now like 3 weeks since I cut my hair, and this is my video of coming back, guys. I'm sorry I left you guys abandoned for 2 weeks. I just started spending time with my sister. Well, not started, she came to visit me, so I just wanted like to just spend time with her, bond with her, you know, since my family lives pretty far away. So that's why I haven't been active here, but I'm back, guys, and I'm back with new hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys. I know the anxious of like wanting to see my hair is fucking real. I had people ask me like, what happened to your hair, how did you cut it? Because I did post this picture right here that you guys are gonna be seeing of when I went to go cut my hair. So anyways, guys, so enough chit chatting. I am gonna be asking for you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video if you guys are the kind of people that like spontaneous ass videos when it comes to hair, especially cutting your fucking hair off, then you guys are gonna like this, okay? So besides sharing with you guys my new hair, I'm gonna also be sharing with you guys the products that I'm gonna be using, well, that I've been using now since I cut my hair, and how they work for me. So if you have curly hair, then I suggest you guys stick to this video, watch it, and take some notes. Okay, guys? So if you guys want to know how my hair looks like and what products I am currently using, then I suggest you guys keep on watching. Okay, guys, so before I reveal to you guys my hair, I want to kind of talk to you guys a little bit more about why I made this decision, what's been going on with my hair, what pushed me to actually wanting to cut my hair off. So yeah, guys, so the thing is that I have naturally curly hair. My family has really curly hair. So yeah, guys, so for those that did not know, guys, I have curly hair, like super curly hair. I'm gonna be posting a picture here so you guys could see how my hair looked like. And honestly, I never really truly appreciated my curly hair, and I think that's why I decided on just messing with it, straining it, dyeing it. You know, I've always had my hair red, and then I went from freaking red to blue and all these colors you guys are gonna see right here. And also bleaching my hair. I have bleached my hair in the total of like 3 times in my whole fucking lifetime. I bleached my hair 3 times. So yeah, guys, so upon doing this, the last time that I actually bleached my hair was a couple months ago, and that's why I had the pretty nice color, kind of like a white silver blonde, almost like a white blonde. And even though the color was beautiful, guys, everybody loved it, my hair was just fried. It was damaged, guys. Really, guys, I will really suggest to not get your damn hair bleached. Do not. But yeah, like I was telling you guys, I have naturally curly hair, and I feel like sometimes we don't appreciate our fucking hair. Like, for people that have straight hair, they want to have curly hair. People that have curly hair, they want to have straight hair. So I never truly did appreciate my hair. So I think that's why I did so much damage in all these years, guys. Like really big time damage with the hair dyes and bleach. So that's why I'm like, you know what, I just want to start fresh. So anyways, guys, so I've been thinking about getting my hair cut for some time now. I was looking at like different hairstyles because I was planning on getting rid of all the damage in my hair. And I was kind of hesitant because if I'm getting rid of all the damage in my hair, that means my hair is gonna be super short. So I was kind of thinking twice, like, okay, Myra, you're trying to get rid of the damage in your hair, but you gotta be aware that your hair is gonna be short. So I was just thinking about it, and finally I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So let me tell you guys something really quick before I show you guys. I actually, my sister was here in the room with me, and I was like, you know what, I'm like ready. I'm ready to cut my fucking hair off. And I get that little tick where I want to do something and I just gotta do it. I gotta do it. So that day, it's like I want to cut my hair. And I was looking at videos of how to cut your own damn hair, and I did it. I actually put my hair up in like a ponytail, and then I just like cut it, like just I believe I cut it twice. And so this part right here was super short and the back was long. The reason for that is because I pulled the fucking ponytail up straight like this, almost on my forehead, and I just cut it. So I had a really small spot right here, like this small. My hair was that small. So my sister, we were just laughing, and we're like, okay, you know what, let's just go get my hair cut. So anyways, guys, so I go in there, and then the lady's looking at my hair, and I told her, I'm like, you know what, I'm ready to do a big chop. Like, just cut it off, cut it this short to like where the strand where I cut really small. I'm like, cut it that short. Yeah, and she even told me, yeah, your hair does look very damaging. The color's beautiful though. I'm like, I know it's pretty. I mean, I did it myself, but it's like my hair's damaged. It's just fucking damaged. It's dead. To the point where everything was straight and my curls were like on my roots. It looked really bad. So that's when you know that you have to freaking like change your thing. So anyways, guys, so yeah, so my hair, after cutting my hair actually you guys see this? Bam! This is my hair now, guys. This is my natural curly hair. It's wet right now because I took a shower. But if you guys could see, I have really not like curly hair, like super curly hair. So yeah, so my hair, like I told her, cut all the damage, and she did. She cut it, and my hair's short. It's short, and it's already been like 3 weeks. It's growing. I feel like my hair was a little bit shorter, like super short, guys. Trust me, when I walked out of that salon, I'm like, oh my god, my hair. But I don't regret the decision that I made. I really don't. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the things that I have been using, the things that I have worked and have not really worked for me. So I'm gonna be giving you guys my honest opinion on them. And all of these are, like I said, they are 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So if you have curly hair like me, trust me, guys, you guys are gonna like the products. So the first thing that I actually came across, and I did my research, guys, is on a Diva Curl, this brand right here. As you guys know, this brand is very pricey, super pricey. Like for a little ass bottle like this, like $22. But you know that I heard the good reviews, their stuff works really good. Now I've been using these things for like 3 weeks now, I believe. So I bought the cleanse, which is this right here. This I actually got it at Ulta. I got the, yeah, I got the cleanse, and then I got the condition right here. And then I went ahead and I got the ultra defining gel, which is this right here from Diva Curl. And let me tell you guys, all this shit right here, like 70 something dollars for all this. And I'm the kind of person where I like to like find things that are like not so damn expensive. But I'm like, if I'm trying to dedicate products for my hair to grow it back out, for it to be more healthy now, then I'm just gonna invest in good stuff, right? So this one's the ultra defining gel, guys. I have been using these stuff right here, which is, this one's a cleanse and this one's a conditioner. Let me tell you guys, the cleanse is like conditioner. It's very soft, it detangles your curls. It's really good. They're all coconuts. And then I have the conditioner right here. Is very smooth. Like this truly works, guys. It really does. I find me using the cleanse probably like once a week only, for my scalp. But when I take regular showers, I just use the conditioner. That's all I use. And so the other thing that I went and I got this at Burlington factory. I got this one right here, which is a Marc Anthony True Professional Strictly Curl and Be Deep Hydrating Mask. This is, I barely tried it on yesterday, guys. Tried it on yesterday and I love it. It leaves my hair super smooth. And the cool thing about this is that it's only like you only use this, put this on your hair for like 7 minutes, and then you rinse out and that's it. And it leaves your hair so smooth, guys. It smells like coconut as well. And this has no parabens, no lead, whatever, no paraffin, no glycol, no mineral oil, no synthetic color, no DEA. I don't know what the hell that means, but this is how it looks like, and this works really good on your hair. And I only paid for this like $6 for this. The other thing that I got to kind of like push a little bit on my hair growth, to make my hair grow out quicker. But let me tell you guys, and I've now was seeing this a lot, that it honestly has to do with genes, with your family genes. Like if your family's hair grows quicker, then your hair grows quicker. And me, my family, the hair growth is fast. My hair grows out really quick. So I bought this kind of to speed up the process. This is a Jamaican black castor hair growth oil. Right here is this one right here, and this I only use this like once a week. I put it on my scalp, guys. If you do not know, castor oil is very thick, super thick. But this one, it's very manageable. Like you can put it on your scalp. So I use this like once a week, guys. I would really not suggest to use a lot of oils in your hair, because that would really, like, your curls are gonna not really be so defined when you're putting oil in your hair. So that's what I use. This one right here, which is a Jamaican black castor hair growth oil, and this one was $6.99. It was $6.99 at Burlington. So yeah, so now let me tell you guys my favorite product of all. Let me tell you guys, I fell in love with this, and I'm planning on purchasing more because my curls don't feel heavy. As you guys could see, my curls are like more defined. Is this one right here. This is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick and curly hair. Let me tell you guys, this is the shit right here. I love this right here so damn much. And it actually has pure coconut water and pure aloe juice, eco-friendly, vegan, synthetic dye, no silicones, no nothing. And I believe this is a brand new brand that's actually out in Walmart. But let me tell you guys, I love this right here to style my freaking curls. I love it. If you guys could see, my curls like do not look nasty thick, like they look really good. So this is my favorite right here, and the one that I have is it has coconut oil, papaya butter, and plumeria extract, silicone free. So this is what I have. This is my favorite thing. This has become my holy grail. Okay guys, another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is the brush and the towel that I use. Now, since I have really curly hair, really invest in one of these right here. This is actually gonna work really good when you are brushing your hair, especially if you want to make sure that you get one that has like the long teeth right here, the long teeth, I believe. And this also works to give your hair volume, like, you know, if you want your hair to have more volume, just go like this. You guys see this? Like that. Now my hair is drying, as you guys could freaking see, and that's why my hair is getting poofy, like it's getting like an afro almost. And another thing that's very important that I did not know is having a microfiber towel, hair towel. This is gonna prevent from your hair getting frizzy, staticky. Like, I did not know this. Like, you know, I didn't know this, but this is a towel, and I got this. This is from the brand Diva Darlings. I got this on Amazon, and this is the only towel that I use for my curly hair for after I take a shower. And usually when I take a shower and once I'm drying my hair, I just go like this. Sorry guys, this right here, where's the brown spot? That look nasty. This right here, you guys could see, I actually put it on my workout pole, and since it was wet, it stained my fucking towel. But usually when I dry my hair, I just let my hair air dry. I don't use heat on my hair, and I just go like this, kind of like you're scrunching like this for my curls, but with the microfiber freaking towel, which is very important, guys, if you have curly hair. So yeah guys, so that's what I use for my hair now currently. Like I was telling you guys, now that I really want to be more focused on my hair, on taking care of my hair, I believe we kind of learn a lesson, because I've seen so many freaking big chop videos of people whose hairs is so damaged, curly hairs is so damaged, straight hair is really damaged, and it's like, I think you gotta hit rock bottom. You gotta see your hair literally fried for you to like wake up and take care of your damn hair. So yeah guys, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to grow my hair out. Right now it's a process, guys. It's a really slow process, because you know, hair growth don't happen from the next day to the next day. But you know what, I'm willing to wait. I really don't care, guys. You know, as long as I'm taking care of my hair, I know in the long run my hair is gonna be nice, healthy. So yeah guys, so I decided to just stay away from products that are gonna damage my hair. No more hair dyes, no more heat. So yeah guys, so that's what I'm doing now, my new hair. So anyways guys, so we have come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's very surprising to all my subscribers out there to see this big change that I have made with my hair, because it does make a person look different. It really does. So yeah, guys, so I know some of you guys are gonna be shocked, like, oh my god, this and that, but I really hope that the people that are deciding to do this, you guys go for it. Just go for it. And I hope some of these products are actually able to help you guys too as well. If you have natural curly hair and you're trying to take care of it, I hope you guys are able to use some of these products too. Hopefully they work for you as well. So yeah, guys, so once I fully deep try all these out, I'm gonna be doing a second video talking about my experience with these products once it's over. Okay, so anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll talk to you guys later.